Chrysler 200 rear brakes. Already have a video showing you how to put it in service mode. Now you're gonna want to remove that 10mm right there. That's gonna take off your caliper. Alright, so with this caliper, that nut right there wants to spin. I just used the crescent wrench to hold it, break it loose. Alright, so once you remove that pin, get your caliper up. Get your caliper up, and this pin just slide out. You just kind of need to maneuver it down. There you go. Full caliper's off. Alright, by looking at this caliper, you would think it's the one that needs to be twisted in, but it's not. It just pushes straight down. Alright, so that's my setup. And just turn. See how easy that piston's going in. Alright, piston's all the way in. Move your old brake pad. Shoot the pry bar. Just kind of like that. Inside pad, outside pad, and stone. Alright, new pads are in. I'm gonna put some grease on that pin there. And don't forget your rubber boot. It's gonna go back on this way. Pop it on right here. Alright, so to get your caliper back in, same kind of maneuvering, just slide it in. Just like that. Line back up your bottom hole. Install your number 10. Alright, check your boot. Number 10's in and tight. Same thing on the other side. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.